In this video, we'll quickly unbox the camera and walk through each port and accessory. Here's what comes in the box. Let's go through all front components of this camera. Optical zoom lens, for long-distance zoom shooting. Power indicator, shows device power on status. Video indicator, indicates video signal working status. Prime lens, fixed focus lens for close-range wide view. Built-in microphone, integrated high-sensitivity audio pickup. Now let's look at the back panel. First up, power and network ports. DC 54 volts powers the device directly. PoE out supplies external devices, and PoE in accepts PoE input. Control ports include RS232 and RS485 for overall device control. For audio, line out outputs sound, and line in receives external audio signals. HDMI and SDI ports deliver high-definition video output. USB-B links to PC for audio and video data transmission. USB-C supports connection with external lavalier microphones. Now you know what's included and where each connect.